Welcome to online art. First of all, I'm glad you found this on Google Classroom. What we're going to do for the next 4.5 weeks is to try to do art the best we can in distance learning. Now, first of all, I know this is going to be difficult. There's nothing like being in the art room where I have the good supplies and I force people to sit and think about art. Now we're going to have the self-discipline to do it ourselves. I will say I can't do everything online that I could do on in the classroom, like clay projects and things like that, which I feel bad about, but it's the best we can do. Now, if you were in art class for this 4.5 weeks, it's about 18 hours of art. This online course, you could probably get done in 8 to 10 hours. I would not suggest doing this all in a couple days. You're going to have to do like 2 or 3 lessons, 4 lessons a week, and I've kind of designed it like that. And so let me show you what it takes to be on online art. Number one is I want you to find this thing called the syllabus. The syllabus is like everything I expect you to do. There are, right here, there are 12 things that I want you 12 lessons. They're all on Google Classroom, and that's how you're going to turn it in and work on things. So right now you're doing how to do online art. That's lesson number 1, and there'll be some questions at the end of this that you're going to answer. And then each one of these is a video. Now, oops, like this one right here. Okay, so here is an example of a video I have on brainstorming. Okay, you write your name there, watch the video. I ask about 3 questions about the video. Really quite easy. I think anybody who watches the video should probably get about 100% on that. So part of your art is watching videos. Just like in classroom, it's being part of a discussion. Now let's say, now the 5th grade, they're going to be doing like a self-portrait, and they're going to do a pre-test and then watch some videos and do a final test of self-portrait. 6th grade are going to do this pop can with brainstorming that I have up here. When you're done with that, you're going to actually, do some drawings, and you do some drawings on your papers, and then you're going to show me how to turn that in. Now, of course, I don't want you to, bring it to my house or bring it to school and put it in the art box. So the way to turn in stuff in art class on the online learning is through this. This is a Google Slides, and right here is a little video on how to submit the art if you forget what I'm showing you right now. But really, you just go to Insert Image, Insert Image, I think it'll come up Camera, and allow the camera to work. It's not working right here, but it should work for you. And then you just, it'll look something like this. I think I can't use both cameras at the same time. Then you take your artwork, you'll put it in the camera like that, and then push the yellow button, and that will record it, and you can set it right here in this Google Slides. Put your name there. When you turn it in, please don't hit submit, or share, sorry. The word share up here in the corner. Don't hit share because I'm going to see it in Google Classroom. Turn it in when you're done. So I get it, I do it here, turn it in. There's no need to share it at this point. And I will see it. I'll look at every day. I come in and I look and I grade what you've done in the art class and keep track of that. Now, on the syllabus, I want you to notice something. Your first assignment is due on the 8th of May, and the second assignment on the 15th, and so forth. I want you to do your best to get that done in those times, and that'll keep you on track. Right? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lessons. You could do one a day. Do a couple days and get it done. I think it'd take at least a couple days to do each one of these. And like I said, there's only 12 of them, so it shouldn't be that difficult. Okay? Now, supplies. There are 3 ways to get supplies for art class. Number 1, if you have Amazon Prime or something like that, just order it and get it in. Hopefully you've got some at home. All you need for 5th grade is colored pencils, and regular pencil, and some paper. If you don't have paper, you can take an old old piece of artwork that might have, I've been using it for notes right here. You can use that if it's a blank piece of paper in the back and draw on that. If you only have crayons, you don't have colored pencils, I'm okay with that as well. I'd rather have colored pencils. You can get them at Walmart, they're still open. Even Kroger's has some, Target has some. So when your parents go shopping, just, hey, let them know that you need watercolor and colored pencils and a regular pencil, maybe some drawing paper to do art. If you're like, I don't know, that's a lot for my expect my family to do, and that's okay, and not all of us can do that. If you're come to school, here's the third option really. If you come to school on Mondays and Tuesdays, they give out lunches from like 10 to 12, and look online to make sure they don't change those times on us. You can go in, there's packets that I have made for students who come in, and there's paper there. If you just need paper, come in and just grab some paper. If you want to get my color pencils and my watercolors, I have those as well. So you can come into school. And lastly, if you're like, there's no way I can come into school, I don't have the supplies, that's okay too. I have something for you to do. All the assignments in red here. Final logo, anthropomorphism, final doodle. There's a 13th assignment called alternative assignment. Now, if you do the art, you don't need to do alternative assignment. But if you can't do the art, I still want you to do the videos, watch all the videos, and fill those out. But then do the alternative assignment. That's just doing a report on an artist, 4 paragraphs, and about that artist, and do your best on that. And I can grade. That could be a substitution for actually drawing. I'm hoping that only 1%, 99% of you can draw and get the supplies. So if you need the supplies, let's get the supplies and do the art. That's the main thing. I'd love you guys to be resourceful and try to get those. So that's basically what online art is. If you have any questions, of course, you can email me. You can do it through Google Classroom on any assignment if you have a question about the assignment. But go ahead and fill out this form to show me that you've watched the video and you are ready for online art. You get graded for today too. Mr. Lane, that's super simple. Good luck and take care.